Today is February 6th in 2007. This is the last day that I have before I go back to work tomorrow. We were looking at these blinds here. Did you see them? Now she's looking at me. But they were pretty interesting, weren't they, Lily? Yeah, they were interesting. You just had your bottle and just changed. Now you're all dry.
She had her what?
Oh. She had her mommy. You didn't have a bottle. I mean, I warmed up a bottle, but that was different. The bottle was for me, really. And I was just looking with Lily out the window. It's a nice day today, wasn't it? We went to the animal hospital to pick up Josie's medicine. And then we got a bagel. Then we went to the bank. Yeah, that too. Wait, what's over here? What is this? Alright, I'll pick you up. Oh, what do you see? What is that? You're a big girl. Little duck butt. Little chicken butt. Guess what? Chicken butt.
Oh, hello, Nelly.
A little Christy Titan here.
Green and gold.
Go fight, fight. Little Miss Sunshine. The best baby award goes to Lily Wood for Upside Down Baby. Woo!
Oh, Dad.
You're good. You're good.
Woo! She's been figuring out her mouth lately.
Yeah.
There's the tongue.
Here we go.
Here, we'll get a full. Oh, it's hard with the light behind you.
There's a good
There you
light.
go. Oh, no, that's light behind her still.
Uh-oh. There's light behind you everywhere. Whoa. All right.
Maybe I'll get on this edge. Hi.
What's that?
Woo.
Mommy, push me. Mommy, push me. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. If you're happy and you know it, make gurgly sounds. You're pretty peaceful right now.
She's the best baby in the world.
It is, yeah. Okay, ready? Roll. And we got you. Been one of our favorite little moves here. Pretty good? Thank you, Lily. You've been great. 4 weeks old in 2 days. You'll be 4 weeks old a month with your parents on this side.
Bless you.
Hey, something for the camera.
Bless you.
Playing it up, huh? A little sneezer for Grandma. Grandpa. Mommy gave you a bath last night. You didn't really like it, but then you liked it a lot. You were really relaxed. This morning we went to the post office. Forgot to say that. And the jackhammers kind of got you up, and you're like, and you're like, what? But then you calmed yourself down. You did. By the time we got to applied signal all the way to the other side of the parking lot, and stopped crying.
You want to say something? You want to say hello?
Once Mommy got that thing. Mommy got that thing. I got you. Hi.
Working on those words.
Hi.
Say Lily.
So tiny.
Lily.
This little piggy went to market.
Lily, there's little pig.
Home. This little piggy said roast beef. This little piggy had none. And this little piggy went wee all the way home. What else do we know? Let's do itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up popped the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. How was that?
Beautiful.
Thanks for saying that.
I'll give you a Grammy.
Oh, I feel some rumbles. I feel some rumbling. It's like, I like the dry diaper. So relaxed.
Well, this is, for the record, 7 minutes,
Yeah.
0 crying, happy baby.
Yeah.
He must be a great dad.
Well, you know, takes 3 to tango. 4 if you count Josie. My family's growing. He's great. You are great, Lily. You really make our day. I'm gonna miss you when I